Hi there, if you're like me, you may have trouble getting things done. That's what we're going to talk about today. There is a book called Getting Things Done that will help you do just that. I'm going to give you a quick tip from it. When you have something you want to get done, do two things. Start by saying, what is the next action? What is the next thing I need to do in order to move that forward? Any amount. Is it calling someone? Is it writing something down? Is it sending an email? And then determine, what does the outcome of that goal look like? When the whole thing is finished, what will done look like? Write down those two things and you will be a long, long way in a very short amount of time to getting that thing done. If you want to hear more tips about that from the book, Getting Things Done by David Allen, stick around. We're going to talk about it. Hi there, welcome to the Productivity Test Kitchen. We're here in the kitchen, my kitchen, and I'm here with my co-host, the Ninja.
And
Boda. The Ninja and Boda are here to help me talk to you about getting things done. That's a book by David Allen that is the quintessential book about productivity. It is really the baseline for so many other books. Most of them pull data and concepts from this book. It's a great place to start. The first thing I want to talk to you about is 5 basic steps that David Allen lays out for getting anything done. And the Ninja knows something about these 5 steps. Do you remember this, the Ninja? So, the 5 steps are capture, clarify, organize, review, and execute. These are the 5 steps. You can apply them to 100 different situations, pretty much anything in your life, big or small. Maybe the problem you need to capture is the remote doesn't work. And then you need to clarify, well, it doesn't work because it doesn't have batteries. Okay, in order to fix that problem, we're gonna have to buy batteries. That's the clarify process. And then the third step is I'm going to organize that. I'm going to write it down the appropriate spot. I'm going to write it down on my going to the grocery store list. And then you're going to review that list on a regular basis before you go to the grocery store. Step 5 is you're going to do that actual thing that you wrote on your list. You're going to buy batteries. And we do this when we clean up our toys. The Ninja is going to demonstrate these 5 steps with baby Boda right now. First, we are going to capture. So he's captured baby Boda. Literally just means picking something up. In the case of tasks and obligations, capture could look like writing something down on a piece of paper. It could look like writing something down in a notes application, saving something, putting something in your pocket. Capturing is the first step. Capture something, put it in a place where you can do the next step. The next step is clarify. So after we capture an item, we say, what is it? What is it?
Baby Boda.
It's baby Boda. We've clarified that. And then we organize it. That's step 3. Step 3 is organize. What do we need to do with baby Boda?
Put in his floaty round thing, like ball that he sets in and flip around.
So
It follows the Mandalorian.
that's right. So
This really does apply to project management. You capture an item. You capture, I need to pick up AA batteries from the grocery store. I capture that by writing it down. The next thing I do is I clarify, what is that going to require me to do? Okay, that's going to require me to go to the grocery store. Then I'm going to write, go to the grocery store. I'm going to organize that. I'm going to put that in a relevant place where I might see it later. That would be my grocery store list. Okay, the next step is review. Okay, so review just means that once you put him in his spot, you go back and look to see if he's there later, if you need to snuggle with him or something like that, right? Because what we don't do is put something somewhere and never look there again. We've all done this. We write it down on a notepad, stick it in a drawer. Well, that didn't do us any good, right? Because if you don't review those task lists, if you don't review your grocery list before you go to the store, you won't pick up AA batteries, and we've all been there. Okay, so review is step 4. Are we on step 4? And the last step is execute. So that's gonna mean, for getting batteries, that's gonna mean you go to the store, you've reviewed your list, you buy those batteries. And for baby Boda, I guess it means you snuggle with him, huh? Task solved. It is a wonderful book. truly life-changing for me. I've read it twice. I'm going to wait another 6 months or so and read it a third time, because it allows you to form so many different aspects of your life in a more organized way, essentially just to make sure that when you say you're going to do something, or when you simply intend that you're going to do something, you actually do it. And what a big impact that makes, not only on the way we deal with our own internal mind, knowing that if I say if I decide to do something, I have the ability to actually make sure that gets done, but also on our relationship. So when I tell the ninja that I'm gonna fix his toy, I can really make sure that I'm actually gonna do that. And by following those 5 steps from David Allen's Getting Things Done, it happens a lot more often. Do I fix things when I say I will?
Yes.
Most of the time? And that is thanks to getting things done, because what it's really about is getting the important stuff done. And the important stuff is taking care of this guy right here, huh? Okay, so if you're interested in that, check out David Allen's Getting Things Done. I'll put a link in the description so you can find it yourself. Also, we're doing an entire series about books to get you started in this new year. Books to help you grow, books to help you meet your goals. Check out that playlist. Baby Boda's gonna make it float via the force over the ninja's head. We hope it's a blessing to you as you start your new year and set some big goals and look forward to blessing others and meeting your goals in this new year. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen. Ninja, what do you want to tell the people?
May the force be with you.
Yeah.